Hello, I'm Rahul Ramendran, and I would like to talk about my life story. I'm currently an employee at SAP. Next, please. So I'll talk about introduction, education, work life at SAP, interests, and my vision in life. So let's start with the introduction. Yes. So as I told, my name is Rahul Ramendran. I'm only child of my parents. I was born on 24th May 1977 in Bangalore. So I turned 44 next month. So I did my schooling, part of the college in Bangalore, and my remaining college in Pune. So here is the picture of me playing with a stray dog when I was 6 years old. So since as a kid, without fear, I've been playing with stray dogs, and that has continued into adulthood. Next, please. So like I told, I did my schooling from Bishop Cotton Boys School. So LKG and UKG, I did in Bishop Cotton Girls School. From 1st standard to 10th standard, I did it in Bishop Cotton Boys School. So PUC, 11th and 12th, I did from St. Joseph's College. Then I did my engineering from Bangalore Institute of Technology in the field of instrumentation electronics, which is a mixture of electrical, electronics, and mechanical. Then I did my MBA or PGDIT, postgraduate program from Symbiosis Center for Information Technology in Pune. So I was in Pune for two full years. So it was a residential program in Symbiosis. So I stayed in the campus, and in the spare time during the weekends, I explored 50% of Pune. So still I know about 50% of Pune, which is a smaller city than Bangalore. Next. So here is a photograph of me with Amitabh Bachchan. It was taken when I was 6 years old. So it was taken after the 1983. It was taken 1983. So during the year 1983, Coolie film was released. So if any of you is a Amitabh Bachchan fan, you will know that he met with an accident during the filming of Coolie. So this was taken after he was admitted to the hospital, and he was staying in Ashok Hotel. So Ashok Hotel still is there in Bangalore, and it's known by a different name now, which unfortunately, I remember the name now. It's called Lalit Ashok. It's known as Ashok Hotel in the 80s, and now the new name is Lalit Ashok. So still people stay, and it's a slightly expensive hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. So when I met Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, I was so overwhelmed I couldn't speak. So which is the picture which is taken in 1983. Next, please. So here is a photograph of me with my best friend. So his name is Praveen. He's my best friend. So friendship goes all the way back into 1983. So at that time, I was 6 years old and he was 4 years old. So we were staying in Dumlur layout. So I stayed in Dumlur layout from 1983 to 1991. And during the full time, he was my neighbor. So the friendship has grown from then to the present date. So this was taken the year 1986 when I was 9 years old and he was 7 years old. So we're going through a Sports Star magazine. And if I'm not mistaken, the magazine cover is that of Salim Malik, who was a great cricketer in the heydays in the 80s. So even though the only glimpse of the Sports Star is there, so I could make out that of Salim Malik, as he had a unique cap and the unique beard. So the picture, if you look closely, you can make out it's a Pakistani cricketer on the cover of the Sports Star magazine. So the friendship extended after I moved, shifted from Dumlur, that is. So in 1991, I shifted from Dumlur and moved to the place where I stay now. So on Dumlur, I was staying in a rented place. So right now we have our own house. So I shifted to Dumlur in 1991, and he shifted from Dumlur to Siddhukottapalia, which is about 2 kilometers from where I stay in 1993. So even now we stay 2 kilometers apart from 1993 to the present day. So Praveen joined SAP way before I joined. So I'll complete 6 years in SAP this year, and he'll complete 17 years in SAP this year. So I'm senior tech writer in SAP, and he's senior solution architect in SAP. So at present, he's gone into Delhi for 1 month, and of course, he's working from home. So he's married, and like me, and he's visiting his in-laws in Delhi at present. So I give you the details about my best friend, who you see in the picture now. So next, please. Yes, as I always love travel. So it's a photograph of me visiting one of the places in Karnataka, and this was taken in the mid-80s. You can see the sculpture in the background among that. So I traveled to Hampi also, but this is not Hampi, but some other place in Karnataka. Next, please. So here the picture of me with a stray dog in Puducherry. So it's my favorite holiday destination is Puducherry. So parents and me have been going there for a long time. Since starting from 1987, we visited the place at least a dozen times. So this place is near Aurobindo Ashram, and there's a beach near Aurobindo Ashram, and you can see the beach as in the picture. Slightly away from the ashram, of course, the landscape was not big enough to capture it, but there's a Dupleix statue next to the Aurobindo Ashram. For those not familiar with history, so Dupleix was one of those people when French was trying to colonize India, but of course they couldn't manage it, and British managed to colonize. So Dupleix asked to leave India, and the statue is still there. So Dupleix in Puducherry is one of the statues. Next, please. So this is the photograph of me wearing the Autism at Work T-shirt. During autism, one of the couple of years back, probably 3 years back, and before the lockdown started, this T-shirt is given to me on the Autism at Work Day. So Archana is the one who gave that particular T-shirt to employees, and this is one of my favorite T-shirts, and it's the best fit T-shirt, just right, not too tight, not too loose, which is just fitting me. So each year I wear this particular T-shirt during the Autism at Work Day. So this was taken on April 8th this year, and one speech I gave, which is recorded by my parents and sent to Archana during Autism at Work Day. Next, please. So it's a fun day with my colleagues. So we go out for team lunches, team outings, all those. So just before we went for outing, this is the picture. You can see Karthik is there in the picture. Remaining people in the picture are Sridhar, Asha, me, Rohan, Promit, Mahindra Kumar, and Bharat. So they are there in the picture. So Karthik was kind enough to take us out for lunch outings. So yes, and this is the picture just before we went for the lunch outing. So yes, so people like Sridhar and Rohan joined the company way before us. They'll complete 8-9 years in the company. People like Asha and me complete 6 years in SAP this year. People like Bharat will complete little more than me in terms of the duration stay in the company, and Mahindra Kumar and Promit will complete little less than me. They joined after me and Asha. Next slide, please. So work life in SAP. So since 2015, I've been working in SAP. Since July 2021, I'll complete 6 years in SAP. So compared to that, I had stints in other companies like Tech Mahindra, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and KPIT. So after doing my MBA from Symbiosis, I stayed for 1 extra year in Pune, where I worked in KPIT. In 2008, I moved to Hyderabad, where I worked in PwC. In 2009, I shifted to Bangalore. From 2009 to 2011, I was in Tech Mahindra. So starting with, initially I got trained in software, but starting from 2008, I started working as a tech writer. So the first company which I worked as a tech writer was in PricewaterhouseCoopers. So I continued the same in Tech Mahindra, where I worked both as a tech writer and a software tester. So I worked for 2 years in a startup company, 2012 to 2014. In 2015, I joined SAP, where I worked both in tech writing and software testing. So I started, when I joined SAP, I contributed to the documentation of SUPM. It's called Sustainability Performance Management. So at present, the current version is 4.0. So for 3.0 and 4.0, I contributed to the documentation of Sustainability Performance Management software. So since the documentation is not there full time, as it's a stable product, so I just need to enhance the documentation. So me and 2 other colleagues enhanced the documentation. But most of the work was done to the software testing part. So I did the software testing for both SUPM 3.0 and SUPM 4.0. So as bugs keep creeping in, I reported the bugs of both SUPM 3.0 and SAP 4.0. So at present, I'm doing Infodocs quality check for SAP. So, and with a few other responsibilities. So I'd like to work in SAP for the rest of my life. Next, please. Yes, so I worked under 4 managers and all of them have been supportive. They're Venkat sir, Manjunath sir, Ram Kumar Gunan sir and Rohit sir. So all of them have been supportive. So my mentors have been Savita and Gunjan, first 2 mentors who have left the company. But my 2 previous mentor was Mona Lisa Chand. My current mentor is Baldev. So my last 2 mentors are still there in the company and still supporting me. So I got, since the first team, I got support from all my colleagues and all of them have been sensitized. So even now I'm in touch, even though I'm in the 4th team I'm working on, I'm in touch with the colleagues from the other 3 teams also. So my colleagues have cleared my doubts in the first team itself to this current team. So most of the time I'm able to work independently. Only when I'm stuck, I'm asking the colleagues for doubts. And since my colleagues have cleared my doubts, I'm able to work independently. Next, please. Yes, my interests are I watch sports including tennis and cricket. So tennis I watch mainly the Grand Slams. Cricket I watch mainly the IPL and T20s. So yes, so I follow tennis from 30 years. I've been following both tennis and cricket. So initially I stopped watching tennis after Steffi Graf retired. So Steffi Graf is my all-time favorite tennis player. So my childhood friend is the one who saw in the picture. He plays tennis also. So after Steffi Graf retired, he's the one who introduced me back to tennis by talking about Roger Federer. So because of him, the interest in tennis was rekindled. So since, if not for him, I wouldn't have even known who Roger Federer is. So after that, I still watch tennis with enthusiasm and I still follow matches of Roger Federer, Nadal, Djokovic and Serena Williams. So I watch old Hindi movies in Hindi, English and Malayalam. The latest English movie I saw was Tenet, which is a 1-year-old movie. And it's got famous stars, but includes the Hindi star Vipul Kapadia, that particular film. So Malayalam, mostly I watch old movies, but I watch the latest movies like Great Indian Kitchen, Kilometers and Kilometers and Drishyam 2. So Drishyam and Drishyam 2 star Mohanlal, who's the most famous star in Malayalam cinema, and he's been the superstar in Malayalam cinema for at least 4 decades. Starting from 1990, he's been ruling the Malayalam film industry along with Mammootty. So new stars are coming, but still Mohanlal rules the industry. Out of 14 movies which are highest grossing, 7 of them are Mohanlal's, and the top 5 highest grossing movies are under Mohanlal only, including famous films like Drishyam, Pulimurugan, Lucifer and Kayakolam Pochundi. So I play video games in my spare time. So mostly I play Facebook games. So mostly I'm familiar with the old games. Certain old games like Donkey Kong, Pac-Man are still hard. So 255 levels are there in Pac-Man. I'm not level. And 4 levels in Donkey Kong, but still it's difficult to get beyond the 2nd level because the arcade games in the 80s were brutally hard. Only after 2000, games started becoming more simple. So 80s, the games were almost impossible to beat. 90s, semi. After 2000 only, the games became mainstream for the audience. And the games, famous games are there like Candy Crush and Angry Birds, which I still play. So I finished 2000 plus levels of Angry Birds and 1400 plus levels of Candy Crush in Facebook, which I do. So by looking at the slides, you know that I feed stray dogs. So one is when I'm feeding stray dogs when I'm 36 years old. Oh, sorry, when I'm feeding when they are 6 years old, and one is feeding stray dogs when I'm 38 years old. So both the pictures are there in the slides. So I like traveling to new places. Pictures of me are there when I'm traveling to Puducherry and some place in Karnataka. In 2012, I traveled to Singapore. In 2014, I traveled to places like Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. So unfortunately, the space was not there to put those pictures, because if I keep putting those pictures, we'll run out to 50 plus slides, and we don't have time for that. So I just put those pictures. So I walk to maintain my weight and keep myself fit. During the pandemic, I lost 10 kilos just by walking and healthy eating. For the past 3 months, I used to walk for either 2 hours or 3 hours per day. So during that, when I was walking, while I was walking also, I kept feeding stray dogs. Suppose I walked for 20 kilometers, I would have petted 20 stray dogs. Along with that, I'm not lost focus by walking also. So I petted stray dogs in Sidhuguntapalyam, Old Airport Road, then Kagadaspura, Nagvarapalya, and DRDO complex. So since suppose I walked for 20 kilometers, each 1 kilometer I walked, I pet 1 stray dog. So I lost count of how many stray dogs were familiar with me. And since childhood, I would have petted and fed 500 plus stray dogs. I still feed stray dogs on a weekly basis. So near my place, the food van comes 6 days a week. 7th day when they don't get food, so 3 stray dogs are familiar with me, and they're overjoyed when I feed them biscuits every Sunday. So every Sunday, since past 1 year, I've been feeding those stray dogs. So since they don't get that much food on Sundays, they're very happy to get the biscuits. So I've been feeding these stray dogs for the past 5 years who are near my house. So next slide, please. Yes, so my vision in life is to be consistently productive at work. So productive in the sense, like I'm not sticking to just one role. So sticking to, because my designation is senior tech writer, but I'm doing both software testing, documentation. In addition to that, two extra roles, including sending weekly reports to the first team that I worked, and doing Infodocs check for the transportation ISL components that I do on a day, the Infodocs check, which I do on a daily basis. So SAP provides me with an encouraging work environment, and as such, I'm able to diversify into roles. So if additional responsibilities are there, I'm willing to take on that also. So my professional skills are improved. So I'm planning to improve my other life skills so that I can learn to lead an independent life. Yes, so thank you for watching. My official ID is r.ravindranathan@sap.com. So you can contact me whenever you want. So we come to the end of the presentation.